Alright, so we're back here at the floating deck. And I wasn't able to be here yesterday because my mom had open heart surgery. She's doing well. But the other guys worked on it, got most of it knocked out. And yeah, let me show you what they got done. We got the railing and fascia, some of the fascia stuff going on. Pretty. This is a Westbury railing, pretty sure, with a rail cap. So, man, really looking clean. There's just a couple things we got to do to clean it up, obviously, and maybe adjust. That cap looks a little cattywampus. And I think there's some plugs. The homeowner likes to paint, so they're gonna do that and finish the door. But yeah, it looks really good. They did a good job. Exactly what I was thinking. Ooh, I love it. All right, well, I'm actually here for another job because the utility trailer is here, or the enclosed trailer, whatever you want to call it. And I got to grab some stuff and go on to another job that I'll be showing you guys in just a minute. Oh no, where is it? Look how close that was. Someone could have died. Oh no. All right. Looks like we gotta look for nails and screws now. Oh boy. All right, so we're back at our job that we just demoed all the decking and most of the joists. We're gonna put the joists back up because they're good. Some of them are good. And yeah, this is kind of like a repair slash rebuild, I guess you would say. But so found some things, and we're in a fancy schmancy condo association. Anyway, so yeah, we gotta fix up this wall privacy thing because that's someone else's house. It's crazy this how people want to live like this. So Brian's gonna be working on that, or one of the Brians, and then so what I'm gonna be doing is fixing this ledger board up because some of the lags are pulling away, and we're gonna actually drill right the rest of the way through the brick and put lags into the header that's right there. And yeah, so inside the house, and there's the basement. I'll show you. They have a drop ceiling, thank God, so this makes it kind of easy. The floors down here are too nice. I didn't bring any drop cloths. We're going to be doing it stocking foot. So yeah, we're working up in there. So let me get to it. Oh, I got to clean up the floor immediately already. Uh-oh. Yeah, look how pretty that is, huh? Golf course community. A bunch of old people. All right, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be pulling out the Bosch hammer drill. That thing is sweet. We're going to finish drilling out all those lags that are there, and get her locked back up tight. Alrighty, yeah, we're going. Let's do it. All right, so we got our Bosch, Milwaukee Impact, Milwaukee drill with the 9/16, 17 and a half Diablo bit that I had to buy on Amazon because the Home Depot didn't have it. I'll put a link in the description for that. Those are sweet. I got a 3/8 or a half-inch one, or a 7/16. Oh yeah, those were working so good. Good thing this deck didn't fall on these people. So I'll leave some of them in so that I, have some guidance. Man, what a nightmare this is. Okay, good with that for now. So what we're gonna do is go finish, basically make the hole better, whatever that means, and then once we get to the wood, gotta get that out of there. Once we get to the wood, we will switch to this. But I don't have one close to this end. I just noticed that. So we're gonna make it so. That's surely gonna fall. Whew. Right smacker in the middle. Good to go. This Bosch. I'll put a link in the description for this too if you guys want to pick one of these up. Any of you guys that like doing like getting reviews on tools, this Bosch is sweet. I don't know if I'll be able to find the same one on Amazon, but any of these vibration control, this one's a 1126.4 EVS and does just hammering and for like light stuff like tile and that kind of stuff. And then this thing goes through stone. Oh, it's cake. And then just the normal hammer drill bit. Am I in the right setting? Yep. Scaffolding's not the greatest setup. I think we're through. That was quick. This thing makes it so painless. There we go again. Hey Brian, can you hand me some of those half-incher? Oh, is he down there? I'll be right back. All right, here we go. Half-inch. Alrighty, so yeah, so this is in Michigan anyways, you're not allowed to do decks like this anymore, but since this is a pre-existing condition, it's like grandfathered in. But if you ever have a lot of you are probably gonna have decks like this. If you don't see any kind of real hardware, like huge lags like this, but much thicker and much longer, and you can't rely on the brick. Brick is actually a siding, in case some of you didn't know that. It's not like a support for the house. Yeah, so you need long hardware to get into the framing, and that is not good. And I didn't grab a hammer. Brian, can you hand me my hammer out of that belt right by you? Thank you, sir. Yep, so that one's hitting wood. Go ahead and get this one through. Perfect. And I got this one. I grabbed a whole bunch more. Where are they? Oh, yeah. And then wherever we, went through everything, we're going to put some quad OSI siding caulk to make sure that it doesn't. There we go. Make sure that it doesn't, drain through here and then drip into the house. Alrighty then, how many bolts I still got? Yeah, I can. Oh, don't step on that. I'm stepping on the cement bit. All right, see. Oh boy. Yikes. Gosh. their brick was holding their deck up. That's crazy. Bonkers. Some people's children, I swear. I gotta do one at a time. That way I don't like knock this so unlevel. Okay. Hopefully I got you in. I don't think, yeah, you weren't looking there. Dang it. I do that all the time. I need to get a new one of those motion face following things because my old one broke. Yeah. Oh yeah. We don't have one down here. We need one. Wah, 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 wah. You know, if my kids made noises like that when they whined, I'd probably be a lot happier. Look. Like a glove. Did I not? Alrighty. I missed one over here. Did I drill through over here? Bosh it up. Our platform is so nice. Oh yeah, I got a grill, so hello. Yikes. Right through the insulation, that's there. Yep. It's okay. Now we're getting somewhere, boys and girls. Hey, I don't make these videos, what do you call it? Like, because I have a bunch of settings that I have to adjust when I go to upload a video. And one of the settings is it made for kids? And like this stuff would be cool for kids, but I don't know if like I'm kid friendly. I try to edit out the swearing, and no inappropriate type things. That I didn't go through the brick yet. Nope, there's still a lead shield in there. What do you guys think? Should I make? Would you say these are kid friendly videos? Let me know. Because I just put no all the time because I don't want to get in trouble or seem like a weirdo. There. I got a palm nailer here.
I was tacking it. Then when we get the.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, when we get the gun out.
Yeah, I do have all that stuff here if you want it though. I did drill the hole, obviously. Probably didn't hammer it home. Oh yeah. All right. One more time. Oh, yeah, the drill again. You can see in the brick here that it was holding up the deck because it's cracking in the joints. All right. One more time again. I think that's how that song goes. Oh, yeah. All right, so let's go. I got one more to do over here. I got to take out the old one. Take out the old, and then now the reason we do the caulking thing is because we've done like 6 decks in this subdivision or condo, whatever you want to call it. And why did I do that? Ooh, it's warm. And they do have a lot of leaking issues. Not from us, but from the previous builder. Builders. Builders? With a Z? Is that with a Z? Did I? Yeah, I just almost tried to ruin that. I gotta stop talking so much and just work. All right. Luckily, it's my stuff. Oh, look, the insulation. You can see. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I almost was like, wait, I didn't drill that. Actually, I did. So how many do I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 washers, 8 nuts. Hopefully I got enough. I do. If not, we can add those later. They're in the utility trailer. So I'll just do as many as I have. And I have 7. That's funny. And how many of these do I have? 8. I might have a 1/2-inch washer laying around somewhere. That would definitely be something I have. So now we'll take the impact, go inside, lock her up nice and tight. Well, first I'll show you the gap, so that way you can see what we're. Look at that. Okay. So, all right, that's all right. But here, we're gonna. Ooh, it's gonna be tight. We're gonna make it tight. We need this guy, the 3/4. no music today because the mixing music, I have to edit a lot if I have music going. And this Milwaukee, I'll put a link in the description for this too, because this guy is sweet. This is they have like 3 different sizes. This is the middle size, and it's awesome. Okay, let's go. Okay. Down we go. Ugh. Well, let's see if we can find the washer first. I got a bunch of random crap hanging out over here. Yahtzee! I brought 7 washers and a whole bunch of nuts, but I needed 8 washers. We got it. This side we go. Hey, quick question for you guys. Only like 5% of people that watch my stuff subscribe. How come you don't subscribe? It's free. You just got to hit the button. It's easy. Do it for me. Come on. Help a brother out. All right. Oh, yeah. So here's where we are. Let's get up there. Get up there. Probably can't see all that well. Okay. Yeah. Deep well. Snug her up. Come on now. It's dirty. This is supposed to be the easy part. There we go. Oh, yeah. Mucho better. Oh, man, I barely missed some electrical here. I'd rather be lucky than good. Or have God on my side. Amen. Not the insulation. Yeah. Oh, there's a good one you can see. Alrighty. See there? Oh, come on. See? Can you see it? I can't see it because the bracket for the camera is not. Oh, yeah, you can see it. That's what we're doing. Oh, man. Another washer. Another nut. Oh, yeah. Sweet. So I'm done in this one. Put insulation back up real quick. Oh, it was up there so great. I don't even know. Maybe they should add some insulation. It's the basement. Basements are supposed to be cool, in my opinion. this side now. Yeah, I did that one. Oh, sweet. Cotton candy does not go well with lungs. Got the homeowner upstairs. I'm nuts. Look at my basement talking to himself like a crazy person. Am I in? Oh, the duct is going to be in the way. We'll have to do... Oh, safety squint's activated. Do that one with the manual torquerator. Pull out. Pull that in like next. Okay. Oh, and this is why I was like, why are we hitting drywall? I'm gonna be coughing all day now. My wife's gonna be like, who's the smoker? Is it me or is it you? And then she's gonna tell me to wear a mask, even though she smokes like a half a pack a day. All right, how many of these do I have left in my pocket? I should have 3. Yep, 2 for over here, 1 for over there. Oh, forgot the washer. There we go. Where'd it go? Hopefully we didn't mess up the brick. Let's look. That's why I didn't like really crank on it. Ooh, I still got one to do over there. How does that work? I might not be able to reach that one. It might be... Oh, yeah, I got room. Oh, let's put all this stuff back first. Hopefully I can reach that last one. Did I miscount? I counted 8. 9 might be too high for me to count. We've been outside pretty much most of the spring and summer, so I don't really have my insulation immunities up. Oh, okay. Let's see if we're still recording. Hopefully, please be recording. Yep, we're doing good. Move these cushions. Watching? Pay attention. Please tell me we're in there. Oh, yes, barely. I mean, not barely, but it's barely accessible. March of 90. That's what this plywood up here says. So this house might have been built around March of 90. It's crazy to think these houses are 30 years old. I don't know. It means I'm getting old. So I'm 35. It's up there. Oh, it's right here. So I didn't count right. I need to get one more set of hardware. Oh man. So that means I still might be not have enough washers. Oh. Be right back. You always keep something. Always keep some crap in your driver's side door just in case, and that's what all this is. I pulled it out this morning because it was getting excessive. So, let's see. Might be able to get away with one of the old washers. No washer in there.
Want me to look at my truck? I just got my half-inch washer.
Yeah.
All right, I might have one.
Let me see if one of these old ones that aren't beat to heck work. But yeah, I probably do. Oh, it looks way better. Oh yeah. Oh, that's way nice. Are these? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, okay. Yeah, I need one.
Need one?
Yeah. Bummers. Oh, it's right here. Never mind. I set it up here. I was wondering why. I was like, I know how to count to 8. I must have just set it down for something. Oh yeah, scaffolding. Man's jungle gym. Yes. The way they did it, your brick, which brick is not a foundation, it's siding. Your deck was resting on the brick.
So they did it wrong to begin with.
Yeah, it wasn't even into the framing of the house.
I'm sorry.
No, it's we've done like 6 decks or more in this subdivision.
Yeah,
We run into it every time. Every time. Yeah.
Oh.
I guess I put the hardware on there, so I was good to begin with. Now I just need a wrench. This is called a 30 seconds everything, in case you're wondering. So I got my, get in there with my 30 seconds everything, and just with my hand, my flesh clamps, and really get it tight. me say, why don't you grab a ratchet? Well, I didn't see one in there that had a 1/2 inch attachment on it, a 1/2 inch ratchet. Come on. Only thing about these 30-second everything is that they move around a lot and become a different 30-second. That isn't helpful. Very nice people. I was worried she was going to give me some crap about the camera, but I don't take nothing personal floating around that I'll have to edit out. So, and all of these condos look the same, so good luck. Actually, don't do that. Just don't. And honestly, this isn't like super. I don't know how much these houses cost. Less than $1 million. So they're not. They're not like. I mean, it's a nice neighborhood, but it ain't worth robbing. That's for sure. Alrighty. Cool. Well, I just cleaned the insulation off of everything. Go grab my little handy dandy hand vacuum, flesh clamp vacuum. I just made that up in the last video, flesh clamp, and I like it. I'm gonna overuse it until you guys don't find it funny anymore. Oh, there's wires here. That wasn't something I was supposed to pull on. Okay. Might have had a old security system. All right, well, let me go show you how it looks now. And then that'll be it for this video. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Up there in the man playground. Man's jungle gym, whatever you want to call it. All right. Oh, yeah. Ho, ho, ho. Yeah, she's nice. Look at that. Yeah, so everywhere there's a bolt, we'll run some caulk like this, and then I'm even going to caulk over them so they don't rust and all that nonsense. But yeah, well, might pretty much just be adding caulk down this whole thing because I put so many in. Well, I basically just filled in where they didn't. But that is sweet. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Check out that stuff on Amazon because that's the only way I make any money right now because not enough of you guys subscribe or watch my videos, so my watch time hours are not where they need to be. So do all that stuff, help a brother out, and we'll see you next time.